Managing your money effectively is crucial for financial stability and achieving your financial goals. Here are some tips to help you manage your money. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Make a list of all your income sources and categorize your expenses, for example, rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment. Set limits for each category based on your income and prioritize your spending. Save regularly. Aim to save a portion of your income each month. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account to make it easier. Set financial goals. Define short-term and long-term financial goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, buying a home, or saving for retirement. Having clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses to identify where your money is going. Use personal finance apps or spreadsheets to help you categorize and analyze your spending habits. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses regularly and find areas where you can cut back. Look for subscriptions or services you no longer use and eliminate them. Be mindful of impulse purchases and differentiate between wants and needs. Prioritize debt repayment. If you have outstanding debts, prioritize paying them off. Start with high-interest debts first, such as credit card balances. Consider debt consolidation or negotiation if it can help you manage your debt more effectively. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible emergency fund. This fund will provide a safety net for unexpected expenses or job loss. Invest wisely. Once you have built an emergency fund and paid off high-interest debt, consider investing your money to grow your wealth. Research different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, and consider seeking professional advice if needed. Review and adjust your financial plan. Regularly assess your financial situation and adjust your budget and goals as needed. Life circumstances change, so it's important to adapt your financial plan accordingly. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial websites to enhance your financial knowledge and make informed decisions. Remember, managing your money is a long-term process that requires discipline and patience. By taking control of your finances, you can achieve financial security and work towards your financial aspirations.